Hi there, Nathalie with you today to show you a bit of what is coming to Citrus Twist Kids in the month of October. I am sure by now Shannon has shown you what is included in this month's Flourish Life Crafted kit, and it's a beautiful kit, and I'm going to put it aside. Make sure you check the video. And I want to show you as always the add-on kit, and this kit is gorgeous, and if you're a fan of Crepe paper Maggie Holmes collections, then you want to get this kit. So let's start with the choice of cardstock. One of them is coral, and this from Basil, and the other paper as always is a white sheet of texture cardstock from American Crafts. This month we are featuring Crepe Paper's Marigold collection. This is the newest collection from Maggie Holmes, and you're gonna get quite a bit of the papers actually. This is Sunshine, and it's a beautiful plaid paper. Then you have Freshly Picked, which is hand-drawn black and white. Full of Grace, which is this beautiful floral, and I mean beautiful floral. Then you're gonna get a cut apart, and this is called The Good Life. You're also gonna get one, this paper here with the pears is called Harvest. Then another cut apart, and this is Remember When. And the B-sides are actually beautiful too. This one here is probably one of my favorites, and it's called Nostalgia. This is like the typewriter keys, and the black typewriter machine is beautiful. You're also gonna receive Very Dear, and there's all these woodland creatures on this kind of mosaic background. Then again, you're gonna get a cut apart, and this one here is the B side. Actually, the A side is Our Story. This is beautiful kind of tile print. This beautiful kind of rustic tones. Then you're also gonna get, and looking at the B side, it's called Becoming. Again, another floral, more on the pink muted tone. Beautiful. I see a lot of fussy cut in the future. Also Natural Beauty, which is all these peaches. I'm gonna say a flair to the change of the season, fall, but you can work easily into spring with this. Everyday collections are perfect. And then the last paper is High Note. So now I'm just gonna gather them together to show you the B-sides, because the B-sides of this collection are just beautiful. Again, I'm just gonna move the cardstock to the side so we have more space. Let's start with the B-sides of Very Dear. Then you have this beautiful wood grain, which is beautiful. The B-side of Nostalgia has this beautiful, I'm gonna say kind of a blush grid. Beautiful. The cut apart, this is Remember When. The B-side has this beautiful emerald green. It looks like little pebble, you know, the cobblestones. Beautiful. The B-side of High Note has this beautiful pink polka dot. The B-side of Natural Beauty, a ledger, which is always nice as a background. Becoming B-side has this beautiful geometric pattern that is like a pink on a really muted pink. Beautiful. The B-side of Our Story, which is, remember, that tile look, has this cut apart, which works perfect with the kit. I'm going to show you a bit what more comes in this kit. The B-side of Harvest, which is the pear paper. Again, a beautiful background. It has, I'm going to say this is a grid and then line paper kind of combined together. Very fun background. Another one of the cut apart. This is The Good Life, and the B-side has this beautiful black and white checker pattern. The B-side of Full of Grace has this beautiful I don't know, the chevron lines. It's like a navy, no sorry, it's like a blue on a really soft grayish blue. It's beautiful. Then the B-side of the Freshly Picked, which is the one that has the hand-drawn illustration, has this beautiful pink on blush polka dot. And the B-side of Sweet Sunshine is actually this blue tone of hand-drawn flower illustration. So a beautiful colors on the papers. And then we're gonna go into the embellishments. Now, if you're a fan of Citrus Twist kits, then you will know that Trina, who is the owner, loves vintage finds. So in this month, you're gonna get included a few sheets of vintage books, which work perfect with the, I'm gonna say kind of the antique tone of the papers. So you're gonna get, I'm gonna say around 5 of them, different sizes. There's one in French, and I love this just because I love math. So this can be used, a dictionary page, and then some just various books. At the same time, you're gonna get pieces of trim that's different types, and they're all gonna be the same. The ones in my kit had this little crochet edging, this little piece of, I'm gonna say it's like old glittery velvety trim, and then a piece of blue, it looks like old linen fabric. So these are just pieces that came on my kit. Like I said, it'll be different for all of the kits. In addition, this month the add-ons, also not the add-ons, the embellishments come from the Marigold collection from Maggie Holmes. You're gonna get the lovely puffy stickers, and these are all gold accents. And again, you have those beautiful florals, you have words that you can create your titles with. There's little puffy elements, so perfect for this kit. You are also going to receive an entire pack of the Marigold puffy stickers, and this just combined with everything that it's in the paper. So you have little houses, little banners, little flowers, little bows, and these are perfect for like the life crafted albums, and anything that you use, any format. It's just so small that it's just the perfect accent. Now the ephemera that is included in this month's kit is the Marigold Ephemera. Again, this is from Maggie Holmes Crepe paper, and you're gonna have vellum phrases on gold. You have this beautiful ampersand card, some wreaths, labels, tags, more cut aparts, a little deer, more cut apart, something that's very to crepe paper, and especially Maggie's collections. Lots of labels, a vintage camera, lots of tags, so lots of layering pieces. I'm just gonna find them here so you can see some of them. Oh, I love this banner, love you, and there's together, which will be used to one. So you're gonna get quite a bit. There's a few more over here. I'm just gonna put them here so you see it. And the alpha for this month's kit, it's actually a fun one. It's one of the exclusives from Citrus Twist Kits. This is the Puffy Alphas, and this is on a mint blue kind of tone. I'm gonna say kind of speckled egg. And this is what is included in this month's add-on kit. Beautiful kit, has a vintage vibe, perfect for any season, perfect for documenting any type of memories, and it's available now at the shop. Now I want to show you a few things that are also available at the shop that you are gonna love. So let's just start with our this month's printables. As always, you can get the digital tags, and these have a flair to Halloween. There's little tags with Halloween, as always coffee, but there's witch brew, and I think you can get a lot of use if you do an October daily or you're into Halloween. Then you gotta check this digital printable. This is the digital tags. As always, our subscribers get access to the digital cut apart, which is just a sheet filled with tags and labels that coordinates with the Life Crafted and also any of the kits. And this is available for free for subscribers, but you can also purchase it in the digital shop. You are also gonna get the subscribers only get the 3x4 bonus cards, and these are perfect. Like I said, Halloween colors match the ones in the kit. Just extra cards for the subscribers. Again, this you will find at the shop. This is a subscriber only perk, but there's a lot more that is coming to the shop. We have also our digital ephemera, which is all the ephemera that comes in the Life Crafted kit, but you can actually purchase the files and print them as you please, so you will have quite a few to go around. If you like to stretch your kits, it's a great way to stretch them, because you have the ephemera ready to cut at any time. Then you're also gonna find in a digital shop is the TN papers. Now the TN papers are the same papers that come in the Life Crafted kit, but you can actually size them, make them bigger, enlarge them, and just play around with them. I've already enlarged mine to fit the size of my Life Crafted album. So that's one of the perks of being to have digital paper. One, I can stretch my kit, and second one, I can add pieces of that into my add-on kit. And the last thing that you're gonna find in the digital shop is the documenter pages, and these are just great if you just want to create quick documenting. What these are pre-made backgrounds that already come with titles. All you have to do is just add your lines of journal, add your picture, and you're ready to go, or you can build upon them. And there's a great selection of them. I mean, there's a flair to Halloween, just a beautiful floral. This is let's make fall. There's some leaves on the background, the candy corn for Halloween. There's beautiful craft paper, the colors. It just combines nicely with the life crafted kit and also with the add-on kit, so it makes it a really nice way to stretch your kit. So this is what is coming to the digital shop. I'm gonna move it around to keep showing you a bit more of what's available right now in the shop. Now, in the past few months, we have been adding lots of products to the Citrus Twist Kit shop. Kind of a, I'm gonna say what is gonna be just permanent in our shop. And this month, you're gonna find, actually last month, is a rainbow of our favorite alphas. And these ones here come in different colors that actually coordinate with the colors of our Life Crafted albums. So we have, I'm gonna show you in a bit. We have some red, which is our candy corn, and this is included in the Christmas kit. We have raspberry. You might see this coming in an album. We have clementine, sunshine. This is sea glass, calypso, white, and this one, if I'm not mistaken, is peacock. And then you have your gold. So again, check them out. They'll be available as a staple in our shop, and they are great to work in any type of project. They're just the perfect alpha. If you work on Life Crafted, they're the perfect size. They're the same size as the Bailey Alpha, which is one of our stamps. So make sure you check them out. Like I said, you can add them to your boxes as part of the bundle shipping program. Another thing that you're gonna find in our shop are enamel dots, and I think one of them is included in the Life Crafted kit, but we have different colors that again are staples in our shop, so make sure you check them out. Again, you're gonna see that I've used it already because I'm working on my Christmas setup, but there's also chipboard stars, and I know these are actually really useful when it comes to Christmas documenting. And like I said, you're gonna see my album pop coming up. I'm working with the Christmas kit too, so I've already been using some of them, but you can find them in the shop right now. Make sure you add them to your boxes so you can have them ready for your Christmas projects. And then the one last thing that I want to talk to you about are some of the stamps that are available right now, and this is our October release. You have the Traveler's Notebook, again a flair to fall. So time to flourish, happy as happy does, I trust the next chapter, all kinds of happy, awesome, be you, very, I'm gonna say generic, and there's, you know, always positive and negatives of our everyday lives. We try to add them to our stamps. And then this is the Life Crafted, this is Life Stamp Set, and this is called Ready for This. And there's all about like changes and flourish. So flourish, grow, bloom, kindness, good feelings, change, ready for this. There's some leaves, there's some florals. I know that people, some of us in the northern hemisphere are entering fall, while our friends in the southern hemisphere are entering into spring. So we want to make sure that you have a bit of both. So you have some florals and you have some leaves, and you even have like, you know, little sentences that's going to help you document the changes and everything that's happening. So make sure you check them out. Again, remember, if you're a subscriber, you can bundle all of this in one single box. And I think that's all I have for you today. Remember to check the add-on kit and everything that we are releasing this month. I cannot wait to see what you create with this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye, guys.